to attach the embroidery module to the Bernina sewing machine, I want to point out a couple things on the back side here. Now, you usually don't have to turn the machine around to see this. You'll get kind of good at it the more you try it. But here's what you're actually aligning up. You do actually see a little hole, and there is a small little peg that comes out of the embroidery module. Usually what I do, I just set the embroidery module near the free arm of the machine, and then as I shift the embroidery module closely to the machine, that little peg finds the hole. So as long as everything's nice and flush here, you're all where you should be. Now just remember, make sure you're on a nice sturdy surface, nothing that's bowed or bending. That can make a difference with how your embroidery is stitching. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to plug it in on the side. You can plug it in when the machine is off or on. There is a flat side to kind of this round part here. So I always put the flat side to the front or with my thumb, and I'm going to go ahead and spin this around so you can actually see where it goes in on the other side. When you're looking at the side of your machine, you notice there's only one place that matches this shape of plug. Hold that plug with your thumb, flat side to the front, and then just go ahead and push it in. Once it's firmly attached, you are ready to start embroidering, and it will recognize that the embroidery module is on.